So what if I told you that your YouTube channel could be your full-time source of income without waiting for AdSense? Would you believe me? Today, I'm sharing 10 game-changing side hustles that big YouTubers are using to make passive income. And the best part of it is you can start now. So if it's something you like to learn, let's go. Side hustle number one would be affiliate marketing. And a lot of you would have heard me talk about affiliate marketing all the time. Now, affiliate marketing is underemphasized. Like, people don't talk about it enough. I told you last year I made $1,000 from off of affiliate marketing. And the best place to sign up to be an affiliate marketer is on Amazon. So you go to Amazon Associates, you click on the register button, you sign up for it. And once you're approved, you can start to share your affiliate links for the things that you use all the time. You can also use other websites for things that you normally use, like your like vidIQ, right? Like Opus Clip, like Taja.ai, like I've told you guys. You can start to make affiliate marketing money from those places. Now, don't sleep on affiliate marketing. If you've not tried it, try it today. Number two will be selling digital products like ebook, digital prints, planners, and all of that. Now, a lot of people always tell me that, Toby, I do not know how to create ebooks. I do not know how to create digital planners. And I've told you, if you go to my website, I will help you create it, and you can list it and sell it. Those things earn a lot of money. I cannot even tell you how much I've made on Etsy selling digital products. And I started to sell on Etsy before I even got monetized at all. Now, my AdSense money is not where I get all the money that I get from YouTube from. Like I've told you constantly, right? And I keep saying it all the time. Because I want you to maximize the use of your YouTube channel. Number three, YouTube channel merch. Now, before I got monetized, I started to create merch on Printify, and I was selling it here on YouTube and on Etsy. Now, what you do with Printify is you create your merch. You use Canva to create your designs, and then you design them on Printify. Super easy, okay? I have a video about how to create merches on Printify. You can watch it. I'm going to link it somewhere here. Anyway, you create on Printify, right? You write words that you know people will like to wear, all right? And then you provide the link in your description box. Now, one thing you have to do though is you have to let people know that you have those merch, right? You wear the merch, you represent the merch, and then you let people know that you have the merch for sale. Now, do not ever think that those things don't make money, because I am living proof, and I will not tell you something that I have not tried before. Side hustle number four will be video editing for other creators. Now, if you are good with editing your videos, you edit your videos amazingly, right? You can also offer this service to other creators like you. You can use places like Fiverr, Upwork. You can also slide into their DMs. I see a lot of people slide into my DMs to ask me if I need help with video editing, but I can't pay for that yet. So this can be you as well. Slide into their DMs, let them know that you're good at editing videos and you would like to offer them that service as well. 5 is one of my personal favorites, all right, and it is offering consulting and coaching services. Now, if you have mastered your act, whatever it is your channel is about, you can start to coach and consult for other people. I do not want to go back and tell you how much I made from coaching last year, but one of my videos that I'll be linking here or here will tell you how much I made from coaching, personal coaching, and also from consulting. Now, whatever you speak about on your channel, you're an expert at it, you're good at it. You can start to coach people. Remember that you only have to be about 10% better than someone else to coach and offer consultation services to them. And this one can help you even sell high ticket, such that you can make much more than you can ever expect from just one person. Now, if you use websites like StanStore, you can also offer payment plans, all right? Now, if you register with StanStore, you can offer payment plans to your clients, all right? And then you can start to make your money. Now, when you offer payment plans, you get paid upfront, all right? Your customer is paying Affirm or Afterpay and all of that, all right? So that is one amazing thing that you should definitely try. Now, sixth on the list will be selling membership. Now, places like Patreon, like Standstill, which I use, and of course, YouTube. But we're not talking about YouTube because these side hustles are the ones that you can do before you even get monetized. Offering membership for your packages, right? For example, if you do coaching, you can offer like monthly membership for monthly coaching. If you do designs, you can offer monthly memberships as well. You can offer monthly challenges and all of that, and people would definitely pay you for it as long as you provide value for that. So that is another thing that I need you guys to check out. Now, side hustle number 7 will be stock photography, stock videos and pictures. Now, a lot of you like to take pictures. I feel like a lot of you content creators have mastered the act of taking pictures, right? And photos for B-roll. And you can sell it on places like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. They purchase videos and photos, all right, from people. So if you're good at taking those amazing sunset pictures, that is one thing you should definitely try. Number 8 is starting a podcast. I started a podcast to try this and I made $5 from that podcast. That tells you that there's potential in it. Now, you may say that I do not have time to record a podcast and a video and of course all of it. Now, one thing you can do if you make talking head videos like me on YouTube, right, you can extract the audio and put it on places like Spotify, right, Apple Music and all of that to help you create a podcast. All right. Now, if you use Spotify for podcasters, once you upload it, they will distribute it to other places like Apple, like Audible and all of that. So this is one amazing thing that you should try. If you've ever thought about starting a podcast and you're like, you know what, I do not have time, extract the audio from your YouTube video and turn that into a podcast. Super amazing, right? Number 9, will be selling Canva templates, especially for people like you that like to create thumbnails, right? That like to create Instagram reels and all of that. Selling
nothing hot for me.
You can create templates for social media. You can create presentation templates for PowerPoint. And you can also create planner templates to sell on platforms like Etsy. You can create ebook templates as well. Now, if you go to places like Etsy, you would see that people are purchasing, have listed and are selling this kind of templates. Thumbnails, ebooks, planners, that editable templates that people can, of course, sell. Now, if you don't know how to create those, I have a product on my website where I'll help you create all of those templates, right? And you can customize it to your own brand, your brand colors, your brand voice, your brand logo and all of that. And you can also sell it at the same time. Finally, number 10 will be creating online courses. Last year, I sold about, was it 1,200 or thereabouts selling online courses. Now, you see that knowledge you have, you're going to sit down and you're going to create an entire series about it. You're going to create all these videos for people, all right? And then you're going to list it on places like Standstore. Now, if you do not know what Standstore is, I'm going to be linking it in the description. Definitely check Standstore out. You can host your courses on Standstore, and Standstore would help you sell it. Now, one thing I love about this side hustle is the fact that you record it once and you can sell it to thousands of people. Now, I still have that course on my website, right? And you can revamp it, you can update it, you can add more lessons to it, you can make it rebranded, and people would definitely buy because we all want to learn. All right. Now, you can also sell your courses on places like Skillshare. You can sell your courses on places like OutSchool, especially if you do courses for children, right? OutSchool is an amazing place, and of course Udemy that a lot of us go to. Now, let me know in the comment section which one of these side hustles you're most excited to try, or if you're already doing one of these, I'd love to know. Now, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And hey, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another tip on how to monetize your channel before AdSense. Now, I hope this video has been helpful to you and I hope you have an amazing day. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.